What's the difference between been to and gone to? When we say gone to, this is used when someone is currently at a place and they have not returned. The trip has not finished and they are still there. Gone to. But when we say been to, this is used when someone has visited a place and returned, which means the trip has finished. Been to. Let us have the sample sentence for been to. Fred has been to New York many times, which means he is not there now. The trips have finished. Fred has gone to New York for work. He'll be back on Friday, which means Fred is in New York right now. The trip has not finished. And that's the difference between been to and gone to.